I was at,
Yeah, you were the one who came to our radio.
yeah, our radio with my daughter.
So, who's
Oh,
singing?
you saw that
Yeah,
video?
well, I will, but he's gonna come in on this.
Okay, well then I'll move these just out of the way a wee bit because
Oh,
sometimes.
okay.
Yeah, she's some grand finale.
Right, guys. Good to see you. Thanks for coming.
Yeah,
Right.
good to see you, Bill.
I haven't seen you since Sudbury.
It's, a town called Marks Day on the north bay side of
Any
Sudbury.
trouble with the border coming down?
No, no.
All right.
Probably
Thank
warmer
you.
up there than it's been here.
It's been very chilly.
Have you ever played to a motorcycle before? Maybe, how about I'll come on this side here?
Yeah, come on. So it's in,
It's like a,
this will be the first time we've had this much.
Sound? Okay.
So it'll be awesome.
This is called Train.
I just need to know what's the CCs of that motorcycle, because we can only play to a certain engine size.
On a train, the conductor's drunk. I got my boots, I got my trunk. I got my books to keep me sane. I'm on a train. I'm on a train full of roads and lakes. We got no lights, we got no brakes. I hold my heart and I curse its pain. I'm on a train. I left the yard just an engine strong. Now my train 50 cars long. I don't know if I'm gonna see everything that's in front of me.
I don't know how Paul and George used to do this. What's a noto tuna?
On a train, we're heading south. It's beautiful club cars and open mouth.
Don't freak him out. Go for it.
The stomach's dry. Looking for a riverbed and open sky.
No.
On a train, we're still heading south. It's beautiful club cars and open mouth. Its lips are cracked and its tongue is dry. Looking for a riverbed and open sky. I left the yard just an engine strong. Now my train's 50 cars long. I don't know if I'm gonna see everything that's in front of me. My destination's down the line, beyond the maple pass of pine, for the hills around the bend, a signaling station at the other end. I left the yard just an engine strong, now my train's 50 cars long. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna see everything that's in front of me. I left the yard just an engine strong. Now my train 50 cars long. I don't know if I'm gonna see everything that's in front of me.
Okay, guys. What can I say? Whose is that? Coke? Is that a?
That's a me song.
That's you. Yes.
That's what,
Thank you.
am I out? Am I clear?
Just lift the leg there and you're clear.
Thanks, Sean. Nice.
Well, thank you. Nice singing, too.
That was John and Joe Kelly with Shelley Cooper Smith there on the Fidel.